How can you avoid probate? Hi, I'm Gary, the founder of DeWitt Law. You can find us on the web at dewitt.law. I'm going to tell you the 6 ways to avoid probate and one way people often think avoids probate but really doesn't. Here are 6 ways to avoid probate. 1. Create a revocable living trust. A revocable living trust is perhaps the most flexible and comprehensive way to avoid probate. You get to set rules and maintain control over the money and other property. You get to decide who gets what, when they get it, how they get it, and how much they get. 2. Joint tenancy with the right of survivorship. This method has hidden dangers including taxes, seizures, and ownership. The other problem is, like kicking the can down the road, sooner or later the property will end up in probate. 3. You have transfer on death deeds and titles. These pass property without probate and without issues of joint tenancy. They also avoid other issues with deeds. Most of the time, these avoid issues with capital gains taxes too. 4. Payable on death account designations. You name who you want to get the contents of a bank account without probate. Your family just has to present a death certificate to the bank and then the bank will write checks. 5. Beneficiary designations. Basically, the same as payable on death, only for life insurance, annuities, and retirement plans. Your family will usually have to call and get a beneficiary kit and then fill it out, send it in, along with a death certificate. Then the company will issue them a check. 6 is lifetime gifts. Be careful, as you may cause other problems like capital gains taxes. If you create ownership with more than one person on the property, then you open up the problems of one to everybody that owns it. If one of the owners gets in an accident, then all of the owners may have to pay for it. There's one thing that a lot of people think avoids probate but really doesn't, and that's a last will and testament. A will alone does not prevent probate. A will actually requires probate to be effectual.